Hi guys, I am Shahzad from Checksy.com and welcome in Xsplit. Today we're gonna show you how can you remove your backgrounds from your videos. You have two options. You can also purchase the costly green screen things to remove your background from your videos, or you can purchase a software which remove the background from your videos out of the box for you. So in this video we're gonna show you how can you download and how can you install and how can you use the Vcam. Okay, so now I'm sharing my desktop. So here, as you can see, this is the official website of the Xsplit. You can also find the Xsplit from Google. So as you can see, this is the official website. Right side the business profile, and click on the first result. So you have to create the account before purchasing or before accessing the software. First of all, I have already created the account and I have already logged in with my account. So now as you can see, this is the dashboard. So as you can see, I have purchased the premium bundle. So now I'm saying incognito, sorry, incognito mode, Xsplit. So get started. So you have to purchase. So as you can see, this is a broadcaster Vcam, and this is a webcam, and this is a presenter capture. So if you click on the pricing, so now as you can see, they are providing 1 month, 3 months, 12 months, and lifetime access. So because we are going to download the Vcam and we're going to install the Vcam in our machine. So as you can see, this is the Vcam. If you purchase the Vcam, so as you can see, just $8 per month. So if you select 3 months, as you can see, it's $15. If you select 12 months, it's a $30. I have purchased this plan because if you purchase the premium bundle, you can access all these features, all these broadcast, presenter, and Vcam. You can also access earlier the products. So as you can see, if I have logged in my, oh sorry, so here, go to the dashboard. So as you can see, this is the capture private beta version. So you can access this one. Fine. So now if you, I'm going to download the Vcam. So just click on the download button. As you can see, I have already downloaded the Xsplit Vcam. You just need to click on the save button. So as you can see, this is the Xsplit Vcam 2.3.2 version. So while I'm recording this lectures, okay, fine. I'm going to cancel this one because I have already downloaded the account. So in this way, you can download the Xsplit or the Vcam in your machine. So we're gonna show you how can you install it and how can you configure it. Since I have already downloaded the Vcam in my machines and I have already installed the Vcam in my machines, I'm going to remove the Vcam from my machines, and then I will show you that how can you install the Vcam and how can you configure the Vcam. So I have already downloaded and I have already installed the Vcam in my smartphone. I'm an Android user, so that's why I have downloaded the Android version. If you are the iPhone user, you can also download the iPhone versions of the Xsplit or the Vcam. So share, I'm going to control panel and finding Vcam. So as you can see, Xsplit Vcam. I have already installed this Vcam, I think 1 day ago. So now I'm saying I'm going to exit this one because I'm going to uninstall this software. Right click, click uninstall. I'm saying yes, I'm going to uninstall this one. I'm saying okay. I'm saying remove, remove. Sorry. Wait for a few seconds. So once we uninstall or remove the Vcam from our system, then we will let you know how can you install the Xsplit. So now it's saying it's removing the shortcuts, preparing files for removals, removing files, executing restore and removing backups. So now we have successfully removed the vcam from our system. So now I have already installed the vcam. So as you can see, this is the vcam. I have installed the vcam, I think, one day ago. So I'm going to open this one and going to click the software. Okay, now yes. So now as you can see, you can also select your English language. You can also select your other language. I'm selecting the English, United States. So click on the next button. I'm saying yes, yes. So here you can select the path where you are installing your vcam. So I'm saying I'm going to install the vcam in program, Xsplit and vcam. So next, so it's saying create shortcuts for Xsplit vcam in the following locations. I'm saying yes. Create the shortcuts for the desktop, start menus, program folder. Okay, fine. Just click on the next. So as you can see, install. So click on the install button. So now as you can see, it's showing you can also connect your vcam with Skype, with Chrome, and with other kind of software like Active Presenter or any software. Fine. So wait for a few seconds. Once we install the vcam, then we will let you know how can you configure your vcam from your desktop. So now as you can see, you can also use the vmax, zoom. Okay, so since, as I already told you guys, that I have installed the vcam from my uh, Android version device. Fine. So that's why I have connected with my Android device, and now we are going to connect with our Android device by using the same vcam setup. Okay, so now wait a few seconds. Okay, so now as you can see, we have installed the vcam in our systems. So I'm going to click on the finish button. So wait for a few seconds. Oh, Xsplit vcam. Now we are ready to go. Okay, so backup of your backgrounds, I'm saying yes because we have uninstalled this one. So it's saying running hardware test. So first, when you install the vcam, it will check your hardware compatibility with your software. So that's why since I have 1060 graphic cards installed in my machines, I have a Xeon processor in my machine, so that's why it's checking the hardware. As you can see, it's saying adjusting hardware testing completed, adjusted to new settings completed. So now you are ready to go. Okay, so I'm saying maybe later. Got it. So here, as you can see, this is the original cam, and these are the built-in for wallpapers available. Okay, when you remove your backgrounds, then which background you are going to select? So these are the selected backgrounds. Okay, fine. You have to select your camera from here. So as you can see, I have three options: Xsplit presenter, and this is the IV cam, and this is a Shakesy. Okay, so Shakesy, I have installed the vcam, which is a mobile applications in my Android device. So that's why it's showing me the Shakesy. Okay, if I select the Shakesy now, wow, I'm here. So this is the original. I have some kind of stuff behind me. So if I click on the background, okay, fine. So now as you can see, you are removing your backgrounds. Okay, now If you remove, just click on the remove. So now as you can see, you have a white screen here. Okay, fine. So if you click on the wallpaper, this one or this one, this one or this one, it's fine. If you want to add your own wallpaper, just click on the add backgrounds, media files. You can select any YouTube videos, you can select the web page or un unsplash so you can also select the unsplash photo. It's up to you. Okay, for the settings, let's suppose if you click on the this three dots or lines, you have my screenshots. You can also select, you can also capture your screenshot. If you click on the screenshot, okay, so you can check your screenshot from here, how many screenshots you have captured. Okay, fine. So now as you can see, this is the settings. Click on the settings. So by default, so it's saying automatically we have the high, and automatically you have hardware detection. So if you disable this one, you can select your CPU or the GPU. It's up to you. I'm selecting the automatic. If you disable the automatic, as you can see, you have few options: standard, high, highest. So if you click on the standard, so now as you can see, this is the standard videos. So this is just a standard videos. If you click on the highest, so wait a few seconds, it's adjusting. So now this is the highest videos. Okay, you can also enable the HD, and you can also use the 30 fps. It's up to you how you are managing your settings. So in this way, you can download and install and also configure the uh, Xsplit Vcam. Yeah. Okay, fine. So I hope guys you are enjoying our series or our videos. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.